Hello, in this video I will show you the MSA report module in the admin panel. Basically this develop in the admin panel, so you need to log in into the admin panel first, and then you need to find the report menu. In the report menu there is another sub menu called MSA report. In that you will find this module, MSA report module. Okay, in this you can see the date range. Okay, there is a filter. So once we select the date range, it will generate the report, which is MSA report. Okay, so let's check how this report is integrated. So basically this report have a predefined format. That format we need to follow and generate this report. So what that format, let me show you here. You can see this is the PDF. In that this mention that MULTICAT format requirement. So based on this format we have generated that report. Okay, so let's see what this format saying and what we have to do basically in the report. Okay, so here you can see in this report there are total 5 sections that we need to add in the report. So first section is header identification record, second is brand identification record, third is ship identification record, and fourth one is purchase record, and fifth one is total record. So let's go one by one. So this is the first. In first, basically the format what they are saying, we have to, there would be the 3 character, and first 2-3 character it will be HID. You can see here. So let's see in our report we have added or not. So you can see here, this basically the header section entirely, and this is a HID. This is the first column or whatever you can say that have HID. So basically first 3 character is HID, and after that 4 to 11 character it will be distributor ID number. So you can see that 4 to 11 character will be distributor ID number, and after that you can see the project identification. So this, so same way we have integrated all the columns here, you can see, and this as the instructions. Okay, and this report basically dynamic. So if you don't have the data in the database or something like that, then whatever the option field you not mention in the database, that will not show here. Okay, so for proper data you need to enter proper data entry in the system. After that if you check, then you will get all the fields that are here, you can see, and all the required field is available. You can see here in the header section all is available, there is no missing fields here. Okay, and let's check the second section, which is BID section. It's also the same way that have HID sections. Okay, so let's check it out, BID section also. So in this you can see there is first 3 character will be BID, and after that you can see the SKU 18 to 31 character, and then product description you can see here. So all product you can see system fetch from here all the products, and it's showing in the report. Okay, so there is no issue in the second section also. And let me show you the third section. You can see the ship to identification record, SID. So let's find out what they are saying for the format. So they are saying that first 3 character will be SID, then the ship to customer number, then ship to customer shipping number. So here you can see the SID, there is first 3 character, and then shipping to customer number. So here shipping to customer number, and again ship to customer number. So here is that. Okay, so this is basically SID section, and it's completely integrated, you can see in the system also. And there is another section which is purchase record. So let's check also that one. We will check everything one by one. So this is purchase section. So our purchase section is up to this to this. Okay, so whatever the customer purchases, that listing here. So first 3 character will be PUR, you can see. Okay, then ship to customer number, and again ship to customer shipping number. So you can see all there. Okay, so all information is showing perfectly in the purchase section also. Now let's move on the last section, which is total record. this is toggle trigger. In that also they are saying the same thing, that first 3 character will be TOT and then distributor ID number. So let's check. Here you can see TOT and then distributor ID number. So this section also perfect. So there is no problem from our side, or no any issue from our side. You can see clearly as per the format we have integrated the report, and it's working fine. You can see based on the range is generating, and it's totally dynamic report, and everything calculation everything we have checked properly, and it's working fine. You can also check, you can get this link from our team, and you can also check from your end. It's working completely fine. There is no issue from our side. Thank you.